How to access Child Trust Fund Yorkshire Building Society. Child Trust Funds were given to children born between the 1st of September 2002 and the 2nd of January 2011. If you're now 18 or older, you can take full control of the account and access the funds. If you're under 18, a parent or guardian can manage it until your 18th birthday. To access the account, you'll need your Child Trust Fund account details, valid photo ID like a passport or driving license, proof of address, such as a recent utility bill or bank statement. Parents will also need to show their own ID if managing on behalf of a child. You have two options. Visit a Yorkshire Building Society branch with your documents and request access. Log in online through your YBS account, or register for online banking if you haven't already. Once verified, you can view your balance and request a withdrawal. Thanks for watching.